Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to send Ethereum from your MetaMask wallet in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, you're in the right place. MetaMask has evolved a bit over the years, but the core process remains user-friendly and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile app. It's always a good idea to update for the newest features and security patches. Once you're set, open up MetaMask and unlock your wallet using your password or Face ID if you're on mobile. Now, select the wallet account you want to send from. You'll see your ETH balance right there. Keep an eye on any fees too, as gas prices can fluctuate. Next, hit the Send button, which is usually front and center on the main screen. This will open up a new window where you enter the details. Type in the recipient's Ethereum address. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. It's like sending an email to the wrong person. Then, enter the amount of ETH you want to send. MetaMask will show you an estimated gas fee, so adjust your amount if needed to cover that. Before you confirm, take a moment to review everything. In 2025, MetaMask might have enhanced security features like multi-factor authentication, so follow any prompts for that. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll see a pop-up asking for your wallet password. Go ahead and enter it. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It usually takes a minute or two, depending on network congestion. You can track it on Etherscan or right in MetaMask. And just like that, your ETH is on its way. Remember, always send a small test amount first if you're dealing with a new address to ensure everything's correct. Thanks for watching. Crypto can be fun and easy when you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. See you next time.